Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create database tables in Django. First of all, I will create a Django project. Okay, so this project has been created. Now what I will do, I will change my directory to this first project. Okay, now I will create a app. Okay, so let me show you what is the directory structure. So this is our project. So and this is our application demo. So if you will open this one, you will see there is a file models. So whatever database tables you want to add to your Django project, those tables are actually in Django defined as a model. So I'm going to show you how to add a simple table, how to add data to that table. So in order to add a table in Django, those tables actually defined as a class. So we need to define a class. Let's say this class name is item, and you need to inherit a class models dot model. Okay, so now in this class we are going to define some attributes. So let's say first attribute name. So name is a character field and the maximum length we have defined 150, and let's say quantity. Okay, so you need to remember one thing: whenever you create a table, Django automatically add id attribute to that table. So that thing you no need to attribute that attribute you no need to add to your table. That will be added automatically. So here our table is done. So once it is done, what you have to do, just open your command prompt and run manage.py make migrations, and then run. So then we need to run. Okay, I forgot to tell you one important thing, that whenever we create a application in Django, so in our case we have created this application demo, so we need to add this application in our main project settings. So open your settings, and here you will find installed apps. Just go here and just add this one as well. Okay, now we are done. So now we will again run this command make migration, and then we will run migration, sorry, migrate. Okay, so our application uh, database table has been added to this project. Now I'm going to show you how to add data to this table. So we can do in multiple ways. I'm going to show you one with terminal, through terminal, and second using admin site. So if you want to add some data to this table, we are going to start a shell. So you need to run python manage.py shell. Okay, now we are going to add some data to a table item, and that item table belong to demo application. So here we will write from demo dot models import item. Okay, now here we are going to create our first item. So name will be, let's say, computer, and quantity, let's say 10. Add one more item, name, quantity 20. Okay, so now we have added two items to this table. Now let's say we want to fetch this data. So in order to fetch that, what we need to run, we need to run item dot objects dot all. So it will return a query set. Okay, so C will be having our query set, and we need to iterate on this query set in order to fetch every item one by one. So I'm going to write a loop for item in C. I'm going to print item dot name. So as you can see, it has only printed computer. So here the why this mouse data has not been added to your database, because we have not called save function. So let me again add this one and call save. So in this way you can add data to your database table. This is only for learning purpose. Now I'm also going to show you how to add data to your table using admin sites. So what we need to do, first we need to open our project. In this project we need to go in our application demo, and here there is a file admin.py. Open this file, and here you need to write admin.site.register item. Now the thing is that this file doesn't know what is item, so first we need to write here that we are going to import it. So we are done. So next we are going to create a super user. So Python create super user. So this user will be administrator. Okay, so user is created. Now we will start our server. We will open our browser and we will write 127.0.0.1 and port 8000. So if you see this one, it means that Django is working properly. Now what we will do, we will go to admin site, and here we will supply the credential we have created through command line. Okay, so you can see your database table here, items, and we have added two objects, you can see here. And if you want to add more, you can add item, provide name, quantity. So this is the another way. So these things will help you to understand how this database things works in Django. Thank you very much for watching.